Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine video, and I usually do every day. I cleanse, tone and moisturize, but once a week I'll go in with a scrub and a face mask, and today's that day for the scrub and the face mask. So I'm going to be trying out these new products. It's by Superdrug. It's a vitamin C detox skincare, and this is the refreshing facial cleanser. And then afterwards I'm going to go in with the revitalizing jam face mask. Okay, so prior to starting this video I did cleanse my face with some African black salt because I didn't want to come on camera with completely oily, dirty skin. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So to begin, I'm just going to spritz my face with some water. And this is just so that my skin can be nice and damp before I apply the refreshing facial cleanser. And on the package it says that this is designed to detoxify your skin. It's infused with vitamin C and it leaves the skin invigorated, refreshed and revitalized. Again, this is the vitamin C detox skincare by Superdrug, and it is made with kakadu plum extract and orange peel and goji berry extract. Now I'm using my face brush, and all the details will be down in the description box of where I bought everything. And I'm just going in small circle motions. I'm trying to be careful with my sensitive areas such as my eyes. And I try to also go in one direction. So if I'm going up and around, I stay going up and around. Just rinse my face. My skin feels nice and smooth. And now I'm going to put on the face mask. I have to spritz my face with water again before applying the face mask. And as you can see guys, I don't have the clearest skin. I did suffer from acne when I was much younger, and from time to time it comes out again. But my skin is smooth and soft, and my only concern now is to work on it to get it clear. So I like using anything that says that it will brighten up the skin. That's what I'll use. It says to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Again, avoid the eye area and avoid the lips. Now I've rinsed off the mask. That was the revitalizing jam mask. It left my face feeling very smooth and soft. Now I'm going in with my Source of Nature Purifying Toner with white tea and green tea. It's 95% natural, and it has no alcohol, no fragrance, no colorant, and it's paraben free. And in between I'm changing the cotton bud. I probably change the cotton around 3 to 4 times. So I'm not using the same cotton all over. Now I'm going in with my vitamin E skincare. It's SPF 15 moisturizing day cream. It's rich in natural vitamin E and high in antioxidants. This cream leaves my skin feeling very soft and smooth, and the softness and the moisture last throughout the day. So I really like using this product, and it's affordable as well. Next I'm going to be using my nourishing eye cream, and I just put a little bit on my ring finger and then pat it into the skin underneath my eye. You always want to use your ring finger because it's the most gentlest finger, and it pat the product in underneath your eyes, don't rub it. This helps to prevent wrinkles and bags. And last but not least, I'm going in with my facial oil from the same product line, Vitamin E Skincare. The oil just seals in the moisture, especially in these cold autumn months. And last but not least, I put some Vaseline on my lips. This is the end results. I hope you like them. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.